We want to help you save big money. One way to do that is to refinance your home. Rates are the lowest in years, but how much can you really save? Some of you asked, and Brien McElhatten found the answers. So Brien, what's the deal?
Yeah, so how much money can I save if I refinance now?
You can expect about $250 a month.
Dean Wagner has 20 years of experience helping families with their mortgages. He's contributed to USA Today and CNBC, and that's why I asked him to answer some of our questions. The first one, interest rates. Just how low are they?
You can expect for a conventional right now to be about 4%, and for VA and FHA loans to be about 3.75%.
And those rates will probably go above 5% next year, meaning now is likely the best time to refi. So the first thing you should do?
Contact your current mortgage company and get a benchmark of what they're telling you that they can do. Ask questions like what documentation you're going to need and how long is the process.
Okay, so far we've learned refinancing can save us on average more than $200 every month, and that we should expect low interest rates until the end of the year. Now, some of you had questions about refinancing, so you went to my Facebook page to ask them.
Eric wants to know, is a down payment required when you're closing on a refinance?
Normally, all the closing costs are going to be wrapped into the refinance, so there's no money out of pocket. In fact, you can skip one mortgage payment, and within 20 days, you'll get a refund of your escrow balance.
Phil wants to know, if you use escrow to pay the mortgage insurance, can you pick your provider, or is the lender going to do that?
The mortgage insurance is delegated by the mortgage company because it protects the investor. So unfortunately, the consumer cannot delegate where that goes, but your homeowner's insurance, your hazard insurance, you can absolutely choose whatever company you want for that, but not the mortgage insurance.
And finally, if you refi for 15 years instead of 30, you can save big money.
On average, people can expect to save between $50,000 and $100,000 just by refinancing from a 30 into a 15-year loan.
As always, if you want to know what's the deal with something in particular, write to me on Twitter @TheListBrien or on Facebook @Brien McElhatten The List, and I'll find you the deal.